Okay, you ready? Put it down. And set the timer. What's gonna happen? That's so funny. I'll do it again. Set the timer. Hold on. Now, hang on. And then we... You're gonna do it again? Oh! Do the dance? Clever boy. Want to do toaster again? What? You touch your toes? Right. What are you doing? Right, Dodie? Going in the house? Now I'm going to do the toaster again. No. Where are you going? Where's Connor? You going in? No? Do you want me to do it? Let's set the timer. I know! That's funny. What? Uh-oh. You want to put it in the toaster? But that's a silly way. No, this way. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Did you bye-bye your hat? Bye-bye. Oh, is that for me? No? Okay. What's that?